Hi everyone, and welcome to my video where we're going to be going over CSS outline. So let's go ahead and get started. So I must say that you should watch my borders video because that kind of gives you more of an explanation of what's going on here and some different implementations that you can do. But essentially, outlines are things that go outside of your border. So for instance, let's do outline, 1 pixel, solid green. And here you can see that now we have an outline outside of our border. So, let's say that we didn't want this border. Save. This is what it would kind of look like. But let's add that border back in. But this is how you would implement it. And it's worth to note that, the outline behaves just like how the border does. You can, dashed. You can give it different types of styles and stuff and different colors and different widths. And just like how I said with the border, you can apply, something like this, like outline style, color. Everything is the same as a border. Now, one thing that I would want to note here is that you can set the outlines offset. So outline offset, and then let's say we want it to be 5 pixels away from the edge of the border, right? So let's save, refresh. And now you can see that this is 5 pixels. Let's make the width 1 pixel. So now you can see that the offset of the outline is 5 pixels from the edge here, the outside edge of the border. And now it's 1 pixel. So this is it for outline. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, everyone, have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.